Hi, I'm Ella.
And I'm Kaylee.
Today we are going to show you how to make slime.
Firstly, the ingredients we are going to use are glue, food coloring, glitter, foam beads, shaving foam, borax, and water solution.
Now we are going to make the slime. Step 1. Take a bowl and put 1 cup of glue into it.
Then add your food coloring, beads, and glitter. Now add a little bit of pixie dust.
That's exciting.
Now make your borax and water solution. First, you need a cup of warm water and then 2 teaspoons of borax.
Step 5. Stir everything together. Once it starts to come off the bowl and onto your mixing stick, take it out and start kneading it with your hands.
will give your teacher slime that they have the option to give to you.
I'm Colin. Hi, I'm Aiden, and we'll be showing you how to make the walking water. Did y'all know that water doesn't walk? But we'll show you how you can make this solution. For this experiment, you'll need printable walking water recording sheets, food coloring, paper towels, 7 cups or glasses, water, and a fire extinguisher in your sight. Just kidding. Forget the last one. Just making sure you guys are paying attention. Don't forget water. Without water, how can water walk? Alright, first you need to place the 7 cups in a row and fill up the first, third, fifth, and 7th cup about 3/4 full. And make sure the even number cups don't have any water in them. Now you need to get your food coloring out. We don't need the green one, only primary colors. So the first cup you add, first you take the lid off first. First you to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops of red food coloring in the first one, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops of food coloring in the last one. Then you put Then you put 5 drops of yellow food coloring in the third one. And 5 drops of blue food coloring in the fifth one. Now that's a lot of colors. Make sure your even number cups don't have any water in them. And make your hypothesis right now. What will, on your printable walking water recording sheets, what will happen when we place the paper towels from cup to cup? Here comes the step that will make the water walk. You will have to take a half sheet of paper towel and fold it in half lengthwise twice. We'll show you how you can make this. Okay, so right now I folded it half lengthwise, but see how it's really long and it's extended? I mean, you don't have to make it exactly this small. You can just cut off like, you just eyeball it and you just cut off most of it. About halfway. Yeah, I'm gonna take the longer one here because I don't want it too short. And yeah, so if you want to make your water walk even faster, you can trim off more of it, but don't trim off too much, or the paper towel will be too short and won't extend far enough. Okay, so we're almost done. We got pre-cut paper towels. You need 7 of them. So you do this, right? You put one end of the paper towel into the food coloring, one into the non-food coloring. You make sure that it's distributively evenly. And since this process takes a while, we have a time lapse of it, and we'll show you that in a second. Yeah, so make sure the paper towel is going from the cup that has water into it to the non-cup, and then from the non-cup to the cup with no water in it to the cup that has water in it until you get to the 6th cup to the 7th cup. And yeah, this process takes a while, but see how the yellow one right here, it's actually working pretty fast. It's seeping up the water from the end, and it's gonna transfer it to the cup, and the colors will mix and level out, and until the waters level out. But it takes a while, so we're not going to show you this whole thing, but we have a time stop of it. This is caused by absorption. Alright, well, that's it. So, hopefully you guys were able to do this experiment, and we'll see you next time.
Hi, I'm Lena.
And I'm Ava. Today we are going to do an experiment called liquid rain.
You will need 150 milliliters of vegetable oil, liquid food colorings, a glass container, 500 milliliters of water, and a wooden stick. In this experiment, the food coloring will drop from the vegetable oil into the water like rain.
This is because water consists of polarized molecules. Each of its molecules has a positive charge on one side and a negative charge on the other. Opposites attract, so the water molecules are attracted to each other.
But oil molecules are nonpolar, so they don't attract water molecules and therefore don't mix with them.
When stirred, the large drops of food coloring break up into smaller drops and freeze the oil, forming an emulsion.
Food coloring is denser than vegetable oil, so when the emulsion is introduced to a body of water, the drops gradually trickle down the oil to the oil-water border.
When the drops reach the water, the colorful storm begins. We hope you enjoy this experiment.